Welcome to Delectable Delights Eggplant Vegan Protein Dish. Here we are washing 2 medium-sized eggplant. You definitely want to wash them thoroughly in salt water, preferably warm salt water, to remove any wax or pesticides. Then you will need to cut the eggplant diagonally in about 1/4 inch slices. Not too thick because you definitely want it to be able to absorb your seasonings. So yes, season with your favorite powdered seasoning. You can add paprika, garlic, onion, cumin, oregano, turmeric. Be sure to add salt. Also, drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil over the eggplant and allow it to marinate. Massage the oil into the eggplant. Allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. The eggplant will naturally spring liquid. Remove it from this liquid. Here we are using a plastic bag. We will be battering the eggplant with flour. Shake the eggplant in the bag and then fry. Fry the eggplant in 1/4 cup of oil in a saucepan until golden brown. Here we are using vegetable oil as it gives a different texture in frying. Here you have it, nice and golden brown. It makes a great snack and can be eaten as is. However, we will make a gravy to serve with it. Here we're using green onions, otherwise called escallion, along with tomatoes and thyme. Use the liquid from the eggplant marinade to add to your sauce or your gravy. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Stir frequently. Also add 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of blackstrap molasses. You can use browning or soy sauce if you prefer that. When using blackstrap molasses, definitely add vitamin C. Here we are using 1/2 of a lime to add to this gravy. Be sure to taste and add salt or other seasonings to taste. And it's done. We'll pour the gravy over the eggplant, the golden brown eggplant, and it's ready to be served. This eggplant protein dish serves 4, and it is great for people on a tight budget. Bon appetit! Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.